Welcome back, all my ninjas. In this update, we're going to talk about the Shinobi Ninja token. We're going to go through some price action, maybe speculate on the future. We're going to see what they're up to. They are building a lot of cool stuff. A lot of stuff is in development, and I think Ninja is going to have a bright future. And it's already had a pretty cool one so far. So great team, great utility, great imagery. It's very nice when you can see something and immediately within seconds you understand it and you might even relate to it. All right. So they've done a perfect job on branding. The utility is super cool. The sniper bot. Let's dive into it. As always, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. So please do not make investments based on what I say in these videos. All right. So this is Ninja. That's the ticker. It's NINJA, the Shinobi Ninja token. Their website is shinobininjatoken.com. Very clean right here. Very well done. The team has done an amazing job. Their space calls on Twitter have been a blast. I always try and get in there if I have time, if I'm not working on something else. So you guys should see me in there fairly often. Check this out. This is the 4-hour chart, all right? Currently price is at 0.008. Which is a market cap of $8 million. So I believe I did technical analysis on all the price action so far. So now we'll look at it more locally. And right off the bat, you have a triple bottom. All right. A triple bottom is a rare pattern. It usually doesn't happen. So you got the first bottom right here, which is just a wick. It's a bullish engulfing with a long wick. You have the second bottom right here, and then third bottom right here. So you can see price shot up. Not sure what the catalyst was for that exact price action movement. Sold off, lower low, lower high. And then it started to round out at this 7 high 6s range. It started to round out. And I've talked about that a lot in previous videos. When you'll see a sell-off, it'll be in a downtrend, obviously. So you got lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. It looks like a staircase down. Now, the telltale sign that it's about to reverse, now this is only on legit tokens. It can't be like 3 hours old, like super low cap. It's got to have some historical price action, and it's got to be halfway legit. But on halfway legit tokens, you can tell that it's starting to reverse when the bottom starts to round. And it's not so jagged price action. When it starts to round, it's like, okay, now big money is starting to get interested again. And then you watch for a breakthrough of previous support, which is going to be resistance currently. So you watch for a breakthrough of resistance. All right. So like on this chart, for example, I like to be able to relate it to what's actually going on. I like it to be pragmatic. So this was just selling off. You got lower lows, lower highs. Now, where's the resistance? All right, well, this is a key level right here. Not sure why I didn't have it, but sometimes you don't always notice things. Right there, which is, let's just call it 0.012. All right, so how do I know that? Because this wick, this candlestick bounced off, this bounced off, and then it broke through. And then currently came up, got rejected right here. Came up, got rejected right here. All right, so I'm going to, this is not a bad level, the 0.01, the 1 penny, but I like the 0.012 a little bit better. All right, there's more touch points for it. And you can see over here, right here, the price action touching it multiple times. So that is it was support, but the support fell out. So now that it's not support anymore, it is currently resistance, all right? So really simple chart to read. You have a triple bottom forming. It hasn't fully played out, obviously, yet. But you have a triple bottom. This is the 1-hour chart. You have support at 0.066, and you have resistance at 0.012. So what I'm watching for is a breakthrough of this resistance on significant coinciding volume down here, the volume bars, and then it to come back, retest 0.012 as new support, and continue upward and form an uptrend. So that's what I have for the chart. Some new developments. Dude, Dude got a tattoo of the Ninja logo. That thing is sick. Artist did a good job too. That's awesome right there. A dedicated community. You got the Ninja analysis. You have a space coming up April 2nd at noon PST, 3 p.m. EST. And you have the Ninja AI live and testing. So Shinobi Ninja Token has a lot of cool stuff they're working on. It's going to have a bright future. Check them out in the links in my description below. Love you guys so much and see you for the next update. Peace.